Hey, how's it going? It's Andy from Melted Iceberg, and today I'm going to show you how to install a theme in WordPress. In addition to showing you how to install the free WordPress themes, I'm also going to show you how to install a theme from a zip file from something like ThemeForest. So here we go. We're going to log into our WordPress site. As usual, you can log in via /wp-admin. And if you just hover over here on the left and click on Themes, here you'll see the themes that are installed on your site currently. And all you have to do is click Add New on the top. Now, when you click this will show you the free themes that are available from WordPress.org. There's thousands of themes. The quality can vary. One theme that I recommend using is Ocean WP. The reason I like this theme is because it's kind of open-ended and it has a lot of versatility. So you can see here that we just searched on the top right, and then you can see the theme popped up here. And in addition to previewing your theme on your site, you can install it. So I'm going to install here. Now I'm activating the theme. And it's as simple as that, really. The site has already activated the theme on it. You can click Customize here. A lot of themes will offer different options and let you modify themes on the front end. Ocean WP has a few options here. Let's see as it loads. Things like typography, menus, the color of things. There's tons of options here. But if you just go to the front end of our site, you can see that it's already on this new theme. Now I'm going to show you how to install a theme from a zip file from something like ThemeForest. If you're really getting serious about your WordPress install, I recommend buying a theme on ThemeForest. They're all around $60 to $70. One theme that I really like is the X theme. You can see that I bought it here a couple times. And if you just hover over here and hit download and hit installable WordPress file only, this will actually give you a zip file that you can bring into WordPress easily. So you can see the download here is at the bottom of our Chrome. And we're just going to head over back to our WordPress install, click Add New, and this is the same interface for searching. If you notice on the top, there's a little area that says Upload Theme. You just click that, and you can pick a zip file. So all we're going to do is drag that ThemeForest file into the zip file field and hit Install Now. And then we're going to activate the theme, and then we'll head over to our front end, and you can see it's already on the new theme. So modifying your theme, changing your theme is as simple as that. So yeah, I hope you found this tutorial on how to install your WordPress theme helpful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Have a great day.